Photoshop was developed in 1987 by two brothers Thomas and John Noel, who sold the distribution license to Adobe Systems Incorporated in 1988. Thomas Noel, a PhD student at the University of Michigan, began writing a program on his Macintosh Plus to display grayscale images on a monochrome display. This program, at that time called Display, caught the attention of his brother John, an industrial light and magic employee, who recommended that Thomas turn it into a full-fledged image editing program. Thomas took a 6-month break from his studies in 1988 to collaborate with his brother on the program. Thomas renamed the program Image Pro, but the name was already taken. Later that year, Thomas renamed his program Photoshop and worked out a short-term deal with scanner manufacturer Barneyscan to distribute copies of the program with a slide scanner. A total of about 200 copies of Photoshop were shipped this way. During this time, John traveled to Silicon Valley and gave a demonstration of the program to engineers at Apple and Russell Brown, art director at Adobe. Both showings were successful, and Adobe decided to purchase the license to distribute in September 1988. While John worked on plugins in California, Thomas remained in Ann Arbor writing code. Photoshop CS, 2003. Photoshop CS2, 2005. Photoshop CS3 and CS4, 2007. Photoshop CS5, 2010. Photoshop CS6, 2012. Photoshop CC, 2013. Photoshop CC, 2014. Photoshop CC, 2015. Photoshop CC, 2017. Photoshop CC, 2018. Photoshop CC, 2019.